Pause for a moment. Take a slow breath. Something brought you here right now. Out of millions of videos, your eyes stopped on this one. That moment is not empty. It carries meaning. Sometimes Allah places a small pause in your life, so your heart can receive something special. Today might be one of those moments. What you are about to hear may be a quiet gift from Allah to your heart. Life often feels heavy. You wake up with responsibilities. You carry worries that no one sees. You try to stay strong for family, for work, for people around you. Yet inside your chest there are questions. You wonder if your efforts matter. You wonder if your prayers are heard. You wonder if the struggle will ever become easier. Many people walk through their day with silent battles. A person smiles in public, yet feels tired inside. Another person works hard, yet sees little reward. Someone else waits for an answer that never seems to arrive. These moments can make the heart feel distant from hope. Yet there is something important you must remember. Allah sees every quiet struggle, every tear that falls in silence, every prayer whispered when no one else is around. Nothing escapes His knowledge. Not a single moment of patience goes unnoticed. Sometimes the gift from Allah does not look like a reward at first. Sometimes the gift is a delay. Sometimes the gift is protection from something you cannot see. Sometimes the gift is a moment of calm that enters your heart when everything around you feels uncertain. Think about the times when you almost gave up, but something inside you pushed you to keep going. That strength did not come from nowhere. Allah placed it in your heart. Think about the days when you felt lost, but suddenly a small sign appeared. A kind word, a new opportunity, a peaceful feeling after prayer. Those moments are reminders that you are not walking alone. People often search for big miracles. They wait for dramatic changes in life. Yet many of Allah's gifts arrive quietly. A calm heart after a long day. A solution that appears at the last moment. A door that opens after many closed ones. These small moments carry deep mercy. You might feel that your life is behind others. You might feel that people around you move forward, while you remain in the same place. But Allah writes every story in perfect timing. What arrives late in your life may carry blessings that others never experience. Your patience has value. Your effort has value. Even the nights when you feel tired and still turn to Allah in prayer carry immense meaning. Those moments build a connection that no difficulty can break. Right now, this video might be the reminder your heart needed. A reminder that Allah has not forgotten you. A reminder that your story is still unfolding. A reminder that every challenge can shape you into someone stronger, wiser, and closer to your Creator. Imagine a person walking through a dark path. At first the road feels endless. The traveler feels alone. But step by step the sky begins to lighten. The traveler realizes the darkness was only part of the journey. Dawn was always coming. Your life can feel the same way. Some seasons are difficult. Some days feel long. Yet Allah promises that ease follows hardship. That promise gives strength to every believer who continues walking forward with trust. Today, try something simple. Pause during your day and speak to Allah from your heart. Speak honestly. Speak with hope. Tell Him what you fear. Tell Him what you hope for. That sincere moment can bring peace that no worldly solution can provide. Remember this truth. Allah is closer to you than you realize. He understands the parts of your story that no human being fully sees. And He knows exactly what your heart needs. So if you arrived here feeling tired, take this message as a gift. If you arrived here feeling lost, take this message as guidance. And if you arrived here simply by chance, know that Allah can turn small moments into powerful reminders. Carry this thought with you today. Your life still holds blessings that have not appeared yet. Your prayers still rise toward the one who answers them. Your patience still builds a future that you cannot fully see. Keep moving forward with trust. Keep your heart connected to Allah. Beautiful things can enter your life when you least expect them. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who might need the same reminder today. Like this video so more people can receive hope. And subscribe for more reminders that strengthen faith and bring peace to the heart.